Hey there, my name's Nadernejad, and I'm the person who fixes online reputations. If you have a negative Google link, bad press, what I do is I have a specific strategy of burying that negative press, removing the press, and then everything that we can't remove. Basically, we chat together, I interview you, and I find out what makes you tick, what your industry is, what your career path is, all the interesting and newsworthy things that you've ever done, and then I take those things and I put them in my own news reports. So I'll have my writers and I'll write for you, and we'll create these long articles about the great things you've done. What I do is then pay publishers, they publish those articles, and then you have a positive presence on Google. It's really a simple way of boosting an online reputation, but it works. This is my journalism degree from the University of King's College in Halifax, Nova Scotia. So the journalists that write news articles about you, I understand how they think, I understand how they work, and I understand why they do it too. It's not with malicious intent. It's with the intent to inform and educate the public. Journalists serve a very important role in our society, but I don't think journalism is perfect. Because journalism wants to serve the greater good of society, which is its ultimate purpose, reporters will generally just publish whatever they think needs to be heard at the time. But what they're doing sometimes is irreversibly damaging somebody's reputation, and that actually removes their ability to contribute to society. So I think we need to strike a balance between informing people about things that are going on, and what I truly believe is people deserve a second chance. Once it's out of the courtroom, once people have served their time, or even if these cases are expunged, sometimes these people they can't get their lives back. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'll walk you through, kind of the positive results that are happening with one of my clients right now, and I just kind of want to walk you through the process. So my client Michael had some negative press on the internet, and what we're doing is finding out about what he does, what are some amazing things he does. He's an artist, he's a musician, and here we've created an article about how Michael has overcome his struggle to become a professional hip-hop artist. As you see, when we look up his name, it's ranking on the first page of Google, and if you scroll down, you have his nice picture. We have his story's already getting hits. It's ranking on the first page, and it starts with, when Haitian American MC Michael was about 6 years old, his mother sent him to his homeland of Haiti to spend the summer with his grandmother. So we talk fundamentally about the human and about the person and about what he's done in his life, and we try to steer away from the accusations, from the press, from the negativity that's come about it, so that this person can go and continue contributing. And he was, compared to a lot of clients that I've worked with, he's somebody who's a go-getter. He was going for everything, working hard, even with negative press. So now it's just about building on top of that. But depending on what sort of press you have out there, there's varying degrees of negativity and effect that could have on your life. So I really want to help you. If you need any help, my contact information is in the description down below. I'm often quite busy, not just with reputation management, but between the other types of work that I do. I recommend you contact me directly with the email address. There are forms on the site if you want to check out kind of my background, who I am, what I do, and also my company site to find out what my digital marketing agency specializing in reputation management does. So I hope that this was a thorough video that kind of explained the process. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to have a phone chat with you. I always make time for anybody who needs help with this stuff. So let me know. I'm always here to help, and thank you for watching.